Hello everyone, myself Anjali Arya from MTech IT 5th SEM. Today I will be discussing my internal test paper, third of data science. Let's start with the questions. Question number first, which paradigm of data research involves asking what problems can be solved given some data? Its answer will be data driven. A data driven approach starts with available data to explore potential insights and problems. Second question will be unstructured data cannot be easily stored in. So its answer will be C, which is relational database. Relational database are designed for structured data, rows and columns. Unstructured data includes images and audios. Moving towards question number 3. The probability of an event E is calculated as its answer will be B, which is sum of probability of outcomes in E. Its justification will be probability of an event E is the sum of the probability of all the sample outcomes that make up that event. Moving towards question number 4. In descriptive statistics, which measure is useful for skewed distribution or data with outliers? Its answer will be median. The median is robust to extreme outliers, unlike the arithmetic mean. Question number 5. During data cleaning, artifacts are its answer will be B. Systematic problems that can be corrected. Its justification will be artifacts are reproducible errors often introduced by measurement systems that can be systematically fixed. Moving towards question number 6. Feature engineering for discrete data includes question answer will be one hot encoding. One hot encoding converts categorical discrete variables into a format usable by machine learning algorithms. Question number 7. The normal distribution follows the its answer will be 68 95 99.7 rule. This empirical rule describes the percentage of data that follows that falls within 1, 2, and 3 standard deviation of the mean in normal or Gaussian distribution. Moving towards question number 8. In question number 8, it's asking that in modeling the error term dollar slash epsilon dollar consists of 18. Its answer will be C. Reducible and irreducible error 19. Its justification will be the total error is composed of reducible part due to bias or variance and an irreducible part due to inherent noise. 20, 20, 20, and 20. Moving towards question number 9. Occam's razor suggests choosing the its answer will be B. Simplest model with equal performance. Justification will be the principle favors the simplest explanation or model that fits the data well. Moving towards question number 10. Parametric model risk 23. Its answer will be B, which is a wrong assumption, leading to bad results 24. Its justification will be parametric model like linear regression make strong assumptions about the functional form of $f, $s, f, s. If these assumptions are wrong, the model will be poor. For classification evaluation, precision is 25. This is the assumption. Its answer will be $stp by tp plus fp which is 26. Justification will be precision is the ratio of currently predicted positive observation, which is true positives or TP, to the total predicted positives, TP plus false positives, which is FP. Moving towards question number 12. In linear regression, coefficients are found using its answer will be minimizing RSS. Justification will be the ordinary least squares OLS method minimizes the residual sum of squares RSS to find the best fit line. Logistic regression predicts its answer will be B. Probabilities using sigmoid. Logistic regressions uses the sigmoid function to map the linear combination of inputs to a probability between zeros and 1. Euclidean distance is Minkowski with k is equal to 31. Its answer will be B, which is 2 and 3. Justification will be Euclidean distance is the $s $2 norm, where the Minkowski parameter is k is equal to 2. K means clustering assigns observation 2. Its answer will be closest to centroid. Justification will be k means minimizes the distance between each data point and its assigned cluster's centroid. Moving to question number 16. Decision tree are prone to, its answer will be overfitting. Justification will be an, uncon- at an unconstrained decision tree can learn the training data and its noise too closely, resulting in poor generalization, high variance, or overfitting. Moving towards question number 17. In neural networks, activation function introduced. Its answer will be nonlinearity. Justification will be nonlinear activation functions allow the network to model complex nonlinear relationships in the data. Moving towards question number 18, which says Hadoop's HDFS provides, its answer will be high throughput data access. Justification will be HDFS, Hadoop Distributed File System, is designed to store massive datasets and provide fast, high throughput access for large scale processing. Moving towards question number 19. In SQL, to combine rows from two tables based on related columns, its answer will be C join. Join clause is used to logically combine columns from one or more tables based on a common field. Moving towards question number 20. Python's DQ supports, its answer will be B. Append and pop from both the ends. A DQ, double-ended queue, is designed for efficient ends and pops from both the front and the back. Now, next question is the question number 21, which says that the following are types of data mentioned in data science: J, structured; K, unstructured; L, quantitative; M, categorical 45. The answer will be A, J, K, and L, and M 46. Justification will be data is broadly categorized as structured or unstructured by format and quantitative or categorical by type. All four are the fundamental types of data. Question number 22. The following are probability concept. J will be independent events where A by B is equal to P of A multiplied by P of B. K Bayes theorem, P of A by B is equal to P of B by A multiplied by P of A by P of B. L will be expected value, sum of sum of P of S by the times of value. M will be variance, which is of which is this sigma value. Answer will be A, which is J. Answer will be A, option A, which is J, K, and L, and 48. J, K, and L are all fundamental probability concepts or formulas. 49. M is incorrect. Variance is sigma square and not just sigma. Question number 23. The following are data cleaning methods for missing values. J will be drop records. K is equal to key mean value imputation. L will be nearest neighbor. M will be outlier detection. So the answer will be D. Option will be D, all of them. Justification is J, K, and L are direct strategies for handling missing data. M which is outlier detection, is necessary part of cleaning as outliers can skew imputation methods. Moving to question number 24. The following are modeling philosophies. J will be Occam's razor, which is simplest explanation. K will be bias variance trade-off. L will be no free lunch theorem. M will be Nate Silver, which is thinking probabilistically. And the answer will be J, K, L, and M. Justification: all four these statements present key guiding principles in statistical modeling and data science. Moving towards question number 25. The following are distance measure. J will be Manhattan, which is k is equal to 1, Euclidean, which is k is equal to 2, cosine for vectors, m, kl, divergence for probabilities. Answer will be J, K, L, and M. Justification will be these are all valid measures used in data science. Manhattan, L1 norm, Euclidean, L2 norm, cosine similarities, and Kullback-Leibler divergence. Moving towards section 3, which is matching type question from set A. I will explain each and every question in a simple and clear way so that it will be easy to choose the correct match. Question number 26, which is match the distribution with its key property. First one is binomial. Binomial distribution deals with success or failure type experiment. Its mean and variance follow the formula NP and NPQ. So it matches EV is equal to NP and variance is equal to NPQ, which is the first option. Moving towards next, which is normal, which matches with the option option B, which is bell-shaped symmetric. The normal distribution is the famous bell-curved perfectly symmetric. Moving towards Poisson, which matches with the option 3. EV is equal to variance is equal to lambda. For Poisson distribution, both mean and variance are equal to lambda, which is unique. Moving towards question number Moving towards next, which is power law, which matches with fourth option. Long tails parity. Power law distribution have heavy long tails and follow the Pareto principle. So the correct option from the given options here A, B, C, and D will be the correct option will be A, which is A. A matches with the option first, B matches with the option second, C matches with the option third, and D matches with the option fourth. Now moving towards question number 27, which matches the term with its definition. First one is reducible error. It matches with the option 3, which is can be minimized by later technique. Reducible errors can be reduced using better algorithms or features. Moving to next, which is irreducible error. It matches with the option first, cannot be reduced. This error comes from natural randomness and no model can remove it. Moving towards next, overfitting, which matches with the option second, high variance or model noise. Overfitting happens when a model learns too much detail or noise, which is called high variance. Moving towards option next, underfitting, which matches with the option fourth, high bias or misses relations. Underfitting means the model is too simple, high bias fails to learn patterns. So overall from the options from the four options given, we the correct option will be A, which is A matches with the option 3, B matches with the option first, C matches with the option second, and D matches with the option fourth. Now moving towards question number 28, which is match the machine learning algorithms with its characteristics. First characteristic is linear regression. It matches with third option, which predicts numerical or minimizes RSS. Now the explanation will be linear regression predicts continuous numeric values by reducing RSS, which is error. Option moving towards next logistic regression, which matches with the fourth option, which is predicts probability sigmoid. Logistic regression predicts probabilities using the sigmoid function. Moving towards next, k-means, which matches with the option first, which is clustering and centroids. K-means is an unsupervised method that forms clusters using centroids. Moving towards next, which is decision tree, which matches with the option second, binary branching prone to overfitting. Decision trees split data into branches and can easily overfit. Now, from the overall review is from the question is that from the option 4, the correct option will be A. A matches with the third option, B matches with the fourth option, C matches with the first option, and D matches with the second option. Moving towards question number 29. In this question, we have to match the big data tools with its function, which are as follows. First one is HDFS, which matches with the distributed file system. HDFS stores huge data across multiple machines. Next one is MapReduce, which matches with the third option, which is parallel processing paradigm. MapReduce processes data in parallel to increase speed. Moving towards next, which is Yarn, which matches with the job scheduling resource management. Yarn manages system resources and schedule tasks. Moving towards next, which is Spark, which matches with fourth option, in-memory processing RDDS. Spark processes data in memory, making it extremely fast using RDDS. So from the fourth options, we have selected the correct option is A, which is A matches with the second option, B matches with the third option, C matches with the first option, and D matches with the fourth option. Now moving towards the next section, which is assertion and reasoning questions. The first question of assertion and reasoning will be assertion is given, correlation does not imply cautions, and its reason is given, it measures degree of relationship but not cause effect. So the correct answer of this assertion with its reason is both assertion and reasons are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Its justification will be here the reason are correctly explained why the assertion A is true. Correlation is only a measure of association, not a proof of cause effect. Moving towards question number 31. Here given the assertion A is gradient descent uses learning rate alpha for a step size. Reason are it minimizes cost in linear regression. The correct answer will be both A and R are true, but R, which is the reason, is not the correct explanation of the assertion. Justification will be both statements are true, but R describes as the purpose of gradient descent while A describes the mechanism, which is alpha used to achieve that purpose. Reason does not explain why alpha is used. So here both A and R are true, but reason is not the correct explanation. Moving towards question number 32, assertion A, which says that neural networks are universal approximators. Its reason is given that they can approximate any complex function with enough layers. The correct answer will be both assertion and reason are true, and R, which is the reason, is the correct explanation of assertion. Justification is that the reason R directly states the condition that defines the universal approximation theorem, which makes assertion true. Moving towards question number 33, which says that assertion A in SQL join combines rows based on related columns. Its reason is given that it handles data from multiple tables, and the assertion and the correct answer will be both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of A. Here the justification is both statements are true. However, R describes the general benefits of join, where A describes the specific mechanism, related columns. R is not a specific explanation of the specific mechanism. Moving towards question number 34. Arranges the steps in K-fold CV in the correct order. J is given that divide data into K folds, K in the K folds. K is given that train on K is 1, validate on 1, L is repeat K times. M is given that average errors is 103. The correct option is J. The correct sequence of this question will be J, L, K, and M. Justification will be you first J divides the data, then L repeats the validation process using K, which is 1, folds for training in each repetition, and finally M average the result. Moving towards question number 35. Arrange the gradient descent algorithm in the correct order. Here J is given that compute gradients, K is given update parameters, L is given choose learning rate, M is given repeat until convergence. So the correct answer will be L, J, K, and M. Its justification is that the learning rate L is chosen first. Then in the loop, U, J compute the gradient, K compute parameters, and M repeat itself. Moving towards question number 36, which says that arrange the K means steps in the correct order. Here J is given that assign to closest centroid. K is random initial assignments. L will be compute new centroids. M is iterate until no change. The correct option will be K, J, L, and M. Justification is the process begins with K random initialization, then within the loop U, J assign points, L recompute centroids, and M iterate until convergence. Moving towards question number 37. Arrange the map reduce process in the correct order. J Here J is given map process data to key value. K is shuffle and sort. L is reduce aggregate. M is output result. The correct answer will be J, K, L, and M of 110. Justification is the data is first J, which is mapped, then K, which is shuffle and grouped, then reduced, and finally M output. Moving towards question number 38. Arranges the neural network training in the correct order. Here J is forward propagation, K is compute loss, L is back propagation, M is update weights. 111. The answer will be J, K, L, and M. Justification is the steps are sequential. Calculate output J, measures error K, calculate gradients L, and apply gradients M. Moving towards question number 39. Arrange the PCA steps in the correct order. J, which is the standardized data. K, compute covariance matrix. L, find eigenvectors. M, protect data. The correct answer will be J, K, L, and M. Justification will be PCA typically starts with J, which is a standardization, then it's moved towards covariance matrix, and then L, which is eigenvectors or principal components, and finally it moves to M projection. The last question of this paper will be arrange the Hadoop components in data flow in the correct order, which is J, HDFS storage, K, yarn scheduling, L is map reduce processing, M is output to HDFS. The correct answer will be J, K, L, and M. Justification is the data starts in J, HDFS. The job is managed by K, yarn, which executes the L, MapReduce logic, and the result are returned to M, which is HDFS. Thank you for listening.